bud. We're tourists. We're here getting the ride. Good job, bud.
The red strap.
Red strap will buckle up. Thank you. Cool. That's awesome.
That's not good.
That's exactly why I said that. Because I wanted this one. No, this is the one I wanted. It's perfect. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh, they're gonna need to get the next one?
Should I leave?
Nope. You're good. I'm sorry, guys. This shoe. Please.
Do I have to buckle? Yeah, buckle. How do I buckle?
Yep.
The red buckle.
Yes. Red strap right here goes over your shoulder. Here we go. Perfect. We're good, bud? Good job.
Where's the clipping?
Right into the regular seatbelt. Good. Hey, sir, can you help me do that with one hand?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're back there.
All good.
Anybody have questions before we go? Any questions?
Any questions? All good? All right, I have to ask. What's our top speed? That's all right.
He's busy driving.
Let me concentrate. Ooh.
I was lost.